What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a cabin filter on this 2023 Nissan Versa. It's a little bit weird. It's not tucked up in the glove box. It's actually on the side of the center console right here. So the first thing you're going to do is reach down in here and pop up this trim panel. So you can grab it right there where my hand is, and you can just start pulling it back from right there. It should come off pretty easy. Now you're going to reach up towards the dash, and you'll see it's like a cream-colored plastic piece right there. And there are actually two tabs that hold the housing for the cabin filter in. So there's going to be one right there on the bottom, and there is also one on the top. So you have to reach up in there good. And with your hand up there, you can kind of just squeeze down on that tab, and it should release fairly easily. So after you've got that top tab off, you should just be able to wiggle that bottom one around, and it should come off. Now I'm taking the cabin filter out, and this one is pretty ugly. It's not the worst I've seen. Definitely a lot of debris in there. Probably time for it to be changed for sure. So there's our old filter, and here's our new filter. All nice and clean. You're just going to squeeze it back up in there. You may have to compress it a little bit to work it up in there, but it goes in pretty smoothly. And then you're going to take your housing cover and kind of work it back up in there. Here's me trying to give you the best view that I can, and it just kind of clips right back in. And again, just trying to help you guys get a better understanding of exactly how it goes in there. Make sure it's snug, and you should be good to go. To finish up the job, you just have to put that panel back on, and you can see there's three little tabs, and they line up with three holes that are on the other side of the center console. I just kind of line up those tabs and then, give it a little pat, and it usually snugs right up in there pretty good. Well, that's everything, guys. I hope this helped you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, you can leave me a comment.